Your referee for the following contest, Hot Cow.
Speaking. And before my yacht club gets to beating the hell out of the Dragon Ball dweebs, let me tell you a little bit about me. My name is Captain Midnight, okay? I'm a big deal. I'm a very big deal. I live in a prestigious $330,000 home outside of beautiful, the greatest city in the world, Des Moines, Iowa. I have a yacht on historic Sailorville Lake. I want to get comfortable here. And I look out here, and you know, I knew I was subjecting myself to less culture than I'm used to coming here for a big payday. But I look out here at all these black t-shirts, and this is an example of what people that grew up socially awkward and homeschooled combined to become an adult. You're all very ugly. And so we're here in Kaiju Attack Wrestling to bring a little class, as well as save the sport of professional wrestling, because this place is full of these gods and monsters and socially awkward dweebs, these theater kids in the locker room that grew up to be adults and think they're real cool and athletic now. They aren't real athletes. We are real athletes. We are Yacht Club. And you should be fortunate I took the time to be here with you tonight. And remember, when the yachts are rocking, Midnight's done talking. Here earlier. Where's the ring announcer here?
Hi. I'm over.
You?
Yeah.
You're the ring announcer.
Yeah.
Gordon Sully is rolling in his grave right now. Look at you. What a disgrace. Allow me to introduce my yacht club. Introducing first. He is a rap god. He is Little Prince SoundCloud himself. He is the greatest professional wrestler rapper in the world today. Give it up for Little Nick.
One of you alcoholics!
tag team partner, the love of his life. She is the reigning queen of Des Moines. Ladies and gentlemen, the most powerful athlete in all of Kaiju Attack Wrestling. Give it up for the Queen Bee, Brooke Valentine! Now, ring announcer Eric Close. Feel free to introduce their opposition here. And would have killed that band earlier to play a little bit of Christopher Cross? My God.
Are you quite finished?
Who's Mr. High?
And their opponents, hailing from Chicago, Illinois, two of the hottest, young and up-and-coming talent here in Chicago, the Midwest, nay, I say the world! Danger Lion, Aria Kuma, the Chicago sweetheart, Mr. Kate, they are the answer!
What did you say? That's a good announcer! Is that good for you?
Now has fun. This match is under. Oh my goodness, they are off to a start. I should get out of the way so you can see what's happening. Lil Nate says no karate.
How about you take my girlfriend over? You can handle that. I'm not gonna waste my time in Chicago sucks. What is that? Sounds like weak sauce. Yeah, you can shut up.
Mr. Kate and Brooke Valentine both tagged in, and now these two will size each other up for the first time. We are going to see what both of them are bringing.
Yeah, man.
Lock up, and it looks like Queen Bee has the power advantage. Mr. Kate back into the corner.
Where's her? Oh.
Let's go, Brooke! Clean break. Whoa. Another lock up, and once again, oh, looked like Queen Bee was getting revenge for Mr. Kate Collins. Cheap maneuver on the part of the Queen Bee. And now wrenching on the arm of Mr. Collins impressively. With Valentine shot to the midsection and now just devastatingly wrenching on the arm. And the captain on the outside seems overjoyed. I'm supposed to be talking during the match. That's what they pay me for. Why are you running your mouth? Distracted from what's happening inside, but it looks like Mr. Kate still in control of the top once more.
Smells like weak sauce.
Mr. Kate now with the headlock. Well, Brooke Valentine showing strength. Throwing Mr. Kate across the ring. Lil Nate tags in. Aria Kuma tags in.
You guys think you said something?
challenging Akuma to a test of strength. And once again, a misdirect by a member of the Yacht Club. But Akuma, fast. Competitor with the advantage. Little Nate grabs Akuma back and down. Akuma off the ropes. Little Nate over. Akuma over. Akuma driving his shoulder into Little Nate, using the full force of his body to take out the local competitor. To come to mind, all ages show, I gotta watch myself. Ouch! Mr. King trying to rally the crowd. Mario Dodge! Drop kick right there. Mario Kumamatere goes for the cover. Akuma's still in control. Tags Mr. King. And Little Nate looked like he was trying to go for the tag. Brooke Valentine on the outside. Yacht Club having a meeting. Let's see if we can... He rolls back to the inside. Brooke Valentine goes for the cover. Two. Queen Bees appeared to have Mr. Cake's number for a good percentage of this match and driving her face first into the knee. One, two. Akuma trying to rally the crowd on Mr. Cake. Trying to will Mr. Cake to break the hold and get to her corner. She gets to her feet. Can she break down? Chin breaker. Oh! Chin breaker. That time once again. Two. Valentine continuing. See y'all. Valentine again. Mr. Cake with a solid stiff shot. Hey now. The ref distracted now. Marshall Akuma trying to make the save for his partner.
Clean fighting! Hey, shut up, fat boy! What are you talking about? You fat boy! Where's your twink at? Get in here and do it tonight, thank you! Teamwork in the yacht!
I missed what happened, Captain. Tag and there, here comes Drew Valentine. Splash in the corner.